Physics of Class 10, Chapter Sound, Lecture number 3. Now we discuss characteristics of sound, and in some books you can find out this topic as characteristics of musical sound. Anyway, so in this characteristics of sound we will be discussing 4 topics: loudness, pitch, quality and intensity of sound. Now what is loudness of a sound? Now this is the characteristic of a sound due to which we can distinguish between loud and faint sounds. So this loudness depends upon 3 factors. First one is amplitude. Now look at here the waveform I have shown over here. Look at here the amplitude and compare it with this one. This is more amplitude, this is less amplitude. So in this case louder sound will be produced. So remember, loudness is directly proportional to amplitude of vibrating body. It means if amplitude will increase, loudness will also increase. Look at here, number of waves. One wave is completed over here and half I have shown over here. One is completed over here and half, another one I have shown over here. So number of waves or frequency same. This is not related with frequency, this is related with amplitude. Now loudness also depends upon area of vibrating body. If you have a large drum and then you have a small drum, you are going to beat both the drums. So in case of a large drum, area is more, so sound will be louder. So you may say when area increases, loudness of a sound also increases. Third factor on which loudness depends is distance. Distance from the vibrating body. So when you increase your distance from the vibrating body, for example, if some drum is going to be beaten, you move away from that vibrating body or from that drum. So as you will move away, distance will increase but loudness will decrease. So I sum up, by increasing the amplitude, loudness will increase. By increasing the area, loudness will increase. But if distance from vibrating body increases, loudness will decrease. Right. So this is the loudness, first characteristic of sound. Next is pitch. Now pitch is a characteristic of a sound by which shrill and grave sound can be distinguished. What is shrill and grave sound? Shrill means barik awaz. Grave means bhari awaz. Now I give some examples of this grave sound. For example, if you know Adnan Sami Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, or in these days Hamza Ali Abbasi, they have grave sounds. Usually children and women, they have a shrill sound. Now this pitch, remember, always depends upon the frequency. Now look at this graph or wave pattern. Here one wave completes over here, the second wave and the half I have shown over here. So 2.5 waves I have shown over here. Here one wave and the half I have shown over here. So here number of waves are more. That means frequency is more. So when more frequency, this sound has high pitch and this sound has low pitch. So pitch is a characteristic of a sound by which shrill and grave sound can be distinguished, and pitch depends upon frequency. More frequency mean high pitch, low frequency mean low pitch. And remember, the pitch of women and children is high because of more frequency. Now third characteristic of sound is quality. Now let's suppose two persons are speaking with the same loudness and same pitch. Even then you are able to recognize their voices. This is due to quality. So this is a characteristic of a sound by which two sounds of same loudness and pitch can be distinguished. Now last one I am coming over here, intensity of a sound, and try to understand it. Let's suppose this is the unit area and these are the sound waves. Sound waves can go like this one, so these are parallel, and here sound waves are going from here perpendicular. So sound waves passing through unit area held perpendicular to the direction of sound waves is known as intensity of a sound. This is unit area, sound waves are passing, this is placed perpendicularly. So how many sound waves are passing from here, that discuss about intensity of a sound. So remember, the intensity of faintest audible sound is 10 power minus 12 watts per square meter. So its unit is watts per square meter. And intensity of the loudest sound that the human can listen without any pain. That is 1 watt per square meter. Thank you very much.